Several centuries ago, Ile-Ife in present-day OSUN State, southwest Nigeria, was under constant attack by a group of faceless people who many thought were forest spirits. It took the courage of a woman, MOREMI Ajasoro, to unravel the mystery behind the powers of the attackers. After penetrating the camp of the enemy and discovered their secrets, MOREMI escaped to Ile-Ife, revealed the secrets to her people, and the invaders were subsequently defeated.
When we are talking of liberation, she played a very pivotal role in liberating Ile-Oòduà. And technically speaking, that's spanned across the entire black race.
Since that day, the people of Ife and Yoruba got liberated, and thereafter we began to celebrate the woman as the goddess of liberation and liberty for the African people.
It is a lesson to all women that we should not leave things to men, that the woman has her own role, have more heroic roles than men.
Since then, Eid festival has been celebrated in her honor. And to put the icing on the cake, Ooni Adeyeye Ogunwusi erected a 42-foot statue in honor of the woman who sacrificed her freedom and her son to the goddess of Esemere River for the liberation of her people.
MOREMI spirit spanned across the entire world. Even that's a background of setting up the greatest country in the world today, which is United States of America. It is called Goddess of Liberty there, and they made a statue for her. It's the same. If you look at this statue and Goddess of Liberty statue, which is Statue of Liberty in the United States of America, you will see. If you go to their Senate building, you will see. Initially, it was a black woman. The slaves that were taken away from tropical Africa brought the spirit of MOREMI and taught the Western world. And they realized how important the spirit was. And they used it to form one of the greatest countries in the world. And that spirit too set up Liberia as a country.
This woman was named after MOREMI by her parents, and she feels motivated by MOREMI's heroic contribution to the emancipation of the Yoruba race.
I know that I was named after her, and she's a heroine, was and still is, to Ile-Ife and to Yoruba land. And I believe that when my parents had me, they must have felt I was a heroine as well, or maybe they were prophesying into my future.
I think this culture should be carried on and on and on, and also in ordinary life. I think if we do that, Nigeria would be a far better place to live.
In appreciation of her sacrifice, a number of public places are named after her, such as a female hostel and a secondary school in Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife.
As a mark of honor, with a kind of what they call historical antecedent of this woman, so we also name a secondary school established by the management of Obafemi Awolowo University, the then University of Ife, MOREMI High School in Ile-Ife. So we have MOREMI High School within our compound, within our campus, and we also have MOREMI Hall within our campus.
From what I've seen around, yes, it is. It's okay. Yes, it is worth naming the hostel after her. Yes.
Thank you.
The light that KBC bring up, where you go to the Olympic, that is the light they first bring out. That is MOREMI light. And you see, we don't support the heritage of Ile-Ife. I am appealing to the federal government and the state government, most especially Ogbeni Raufu Aregbesola, to please rally round Baba Oni to come and develop Ile-Ife.
Interestingly, all the materials used in molding this statue were sourced locally, and Ooni Adeyeye Ogunwusi believes this is the way to go if we must grow our economy and empower the youth.
We launched the tallest statue in Nigeria and the third tallest statue in the whole of continent of Africa, the entire black race. And the pride of this is it is 100% done by Nigerians and 100% Nigerian material. It's a challenge to the entire government of Nigeria that they should give the youth a chance. I am dedicating this statue to the entire youth of this country.
This statue, erected by Ooni Adeyeye Ogunwusi, is to immortalize MOREMI Ajasoro and to remind the people of Ife and indeed the Yoruba race of a woman who came, saw and liberated her people with the aid of native intelligence. Described as Africa's foremost heroine of liberty, MOREMI Ajasoro was said to have played a pivotal role in the liberation of the people of Ile-Ife from their invaders. She is fondly remembered for breathing life into the popular saying of what a man can do, a woman can do even better. Ibrahim Alige, TVC News, Ile-Ife, Osun State.